From trying to avoid punishment to protecting others from the truth, lying is a behavior we take part in frequently and for a clear purpose. With the average person lying 1 to 2 times per day, do we really understand the science behind lying?
Today, we will be breaking down the science of lying into 3 perspectives: biological, psychological, and sociological. But first, let's take a deeper look in the psychological perspective.
From a cognitive perspective, lying takes up more energy than telling the truth. This is because lying involves creating a story instead of using a story from your memory. Liars also must be aware of what they say and make sure they do not contradict themselves or the person they are lying to. Liars have to keep the truth in their memory and ensure they don't say the truth when interacting with the person they are lying to. They also have to be aware of how they act and behave with the person they are lying to, as well as observe how that person behaves in order to prevent any acts of behavior being interpreted.
To learn more about how lying works, watch the full video on YouTube on the McMaster Demystifying YouTube channel.